When I first met Jindong and Mabel, they gave me the impression that they want to have something different in their house. Instead of putting the TV console laying onto the flat wall, I helped them to put the TV console at the corner. By doing this, the user is not looking at the flat wall, creating a more impactful to the user. By doing this, the user who's sitting at this corner is actually having an easier communication method to the other side. With this, the user gets a wider experience as well, from one end to the corner to the other end of the corner.
Vinz is a very creative designer. He captured us with his unique layout proposal on our second meeting, although our layout is a very typical 4-room HDB flat. We gave all the ID firm that we went to the same budget and requirement, and only Vinz and Weiken managed to wow us with their proposal. I like the living room best. It is very unique and comfortable. We are very pleased with the outcome. Weiken.com